Porsche is one of the most prestigious automobile brands in the world, specializing in high-performance sports cars, SUVs, and sedans. When you drive a Porsche, you are practically making a statement about your own success, prestige, and let's say it out loud here, your disposable income. That's why nothing could be more frustrating than being saddled with endless repairs on a luxury vehicle that's supposed to symbolize just how far you've come along in your life and career. We understand your frustration. No one should be burdened by a lemon, let alone a $90,000 lemon. If you are a Porsche owner stressed out by the defects in your car, the California Lemon Law could be the solution you are looking for. In this video, we will discuss in detail the Porsche Lemon Law buyback settlement, provide an overview of the eligibility criteria for compensation, and discuss common defects often found in Porsche vehicles. Finally, we will identify the affected Porsche models and provide guidance on the initial steps involved in filing a Lemon Law claim. So let's begin. First of all, what is the Porsche Lemon Law buyback settlement option? Under the California Lemon Law, if Porsche sells a defective vehicle to a consumer, they have a legal obligation to either repair the vehicle or provide compensation to the owner. In the case of a buyback settlement, Porsche will repurchase the defective vehicle from you and offer a cash settlement for the inconvenience and financial losses it caused. This will include the entire amount you initially paid for the vehicle, any sales and financing charges associated with the purchase, previous and future monthly payments made towards the vehicle, all out-of-pocket expenses incurred by the owner for repairs, towing, and vehicle rentals, plus any civil penalties that may be imposed on Porsche by the court. Moving on, let's take a look at the common defects that Porsche vehicles often experience, which frequently result in Lemon Law claims. Here are a few examples. Engine malfunction or failures, such as oil leaks, overheating, or stalling. Transmission problems, including issues with shifting, grinding noises, or jerking movements. Electrical system failures, such as faulty wiring, malfunctioning navigating systems, or repeated battery drainage. Brake system malfunctions, like premature wear and tear, brake failure, or ABS issues. Suspension or steering problems causing vibrations, excessive noise, or difficulty in steering control. Are you struggling with any of these problems with your Porsche? You may be eligible for compensation. Remember, any recurring issues that significantly impacts your vehicle's use, safety, or resale value could potentially serve as valid grounds for filing a Lemon Law complaint. Now, let's check out which Porsche models are frequently mentioned in Lemon Law claims. The following vehicle models are included: Porsche 911, Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Panamera, Porsche Macan, Porsche Boxster, Porsche Cayman. What's the Porsche model that's causing you a lot of stress with the constant breakdown and repairs? Dealing with a lemon can be quite frustrating, and anyone going through this ordeal would understandably be upset. It's unfair for consumers to bear the burden of owning a defective vehicle they paid good money for. The responsibility lies with Porsche to address these issues, and you deserve fair compensation for the inconvenience and financial losses. Fortunately, the California Lemon Law provides a potential solution for addressing your lemon car problem. So, how do you get Porsche to compensate you for your defective vehicle? To begin this process, you will need to file a Lemon Law claim, which requires your vehicle to meet one of the following criteria. The car must have been returned to the Porsche dealership at least 2 times to address a significant safety defect. The car must have been returned to the Porsche dealership at least 4 times to address a non-safety issue. The vehicle must have been at the dealership for more than 30 days due to various issues. Now, here's the interesting part. If your Porsche meets any of these criteria within the first 18,000 miles or the first 18 months of ownership, it is automatically considered a lemon under the concept of legal presumption in Lemon Law. This, of course, makes you eligible for compensation from the automaker. But, and this is a question that might apply to you, what if the repair issues on your Porsche started after the initial 18-month or 18,000-mile period? Will you still be eligible for Lemon Law coverage? The answer is yes. Your vehicle can still potentially qualify for compensation. Here's how this works. If you own a Porsche in California that experiences persistent and significant defects at any point during the warranty period, even beyond the first 18 months or 18,000 miles, and if Porsche fails to provide a satisfactory solution despite multiple repair attempts, you may have a strong case for a Lemon Law claim. To ensure that you receive fair compensation, you should initiate the process and file a Lemon Law claim against Porsche as soon as possible. Which brings us to our final question. How do you go about filing a Lemon Law claim for your defective Porsche? What's the first step? Your first goal, before making any other moves, should be to find out if you have a valid Lemon Law case. In California, it's quite easy to get this information. Most Lemon Law attorneys here offer free initial consultations, and that's your chance to have your case evaluated by a legal professional for free. During the call, the lawyer will determine if you have a strong case, recommend a legal strategy based on your specific circumstances, and provide essential guidance and updates throughout the entire process. That's it. That's the first step. And if you make that call today, you can find out within minutes whether you have a valid Lemon Law case. So, we have covered the essentials of the Porsche Lemon Law buyback settlement option and how you can get started with your claim today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's time to have your Porsche Lemon problem resolved and secure the rightful compensation you deserve. Remember, the law is on your side, and you don't have to get stuck with a lemon. For assistance to file a Lemon Law claim, call 323-553-7525 or visit lemonlawyers.org today.